Hey guys, it's Ross going on the Space Couch today. I've got a Hyperloop update for you. Now, it does appear that this Hyperloop concept is moving closer to reality. Hyperloop Transportation Technologies, which was one of the two main companies involved, now they say they intend to start testing and construction of their track and tubes next year, 2016. Now, HTT, which is crowdsourced, it's got a team of 400 people. They've all got day jobs at, let's say, Boeing, SpaceX, NASA, wherever. Then in their free time, they work on the Hyperloop concept. Now, HTT has signed some pretty important agreements recently with two major engineering firms to help bring the Hyperloop to fruition. The first is Oerlikon labelled Vacuum, and they are a leader in vacuum technologies. They worked on the Large Hadron Collider at CERN, for instance, and ACOM, and they're helping to build London's Crossrail system. Both major international engineering firms, lots of expertise in building tunnels and creating low-pressure environment, all that sort of thing. Now, they're not being paid, they're going to get stock options, like the employees are getting stock options. So it's more like putting a market down for the future as an investment, I would say, from those companies' perspectives. If they're not getting paid, but they're getting stock in something that could be the next hot thing. Now, in June, SpaceX announced it's going to be holding a pod racing contest next year. And in fact, Purdue University in Indiana is now offering Hyperloop design courses through its various engineering programs. So students can study and then go and test their concept in the Hyperloop games, I guess. Now, the other Hyperloop company, remember there was two of them, they both had very similar names. This one, Hyperloop Technologies, it's also been busy. They're actually now building tube sections and test rigs, and they appear to be making some headway with building out the hardware that's required. For instance, their Twitter feed, which is @HyperloopTech, very informed. We've got lots of pictures of tube sections, wind tunnels, compressor blades, all that sort of thing. So it appears the Hyperloop is going to get built, even if it's just a small test track. Now, if that test track does in fact validate the Hyperloop concept, then it could indeed become the fifth mode of transport, as Elon Musk has suggested. Fingers crossed that it does. Be awesome to whiz around the country so fast you could live in the north and commute to work in London. Same for those routes between San Francisco and Los Angeles, for instance. Let's see if they do manage to provide that very low cost transport. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this quick update about the Hyperloop. Obviously, as we get closer and closer to potential Hyperloop games, there will be updates on it. Leave me a comment, a suggestion for an upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or hit that like button.